Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices settled higher on Friday and recorded a second consecutive weekly gain as fresh US sanctions on Iran and the latest output plan from the OPEC Plus producer group raised expectations of tighter supply. The dollar edged up against the euro on Friday, on pace for its first weekly gain this month, as investors booked profits from the euro's recent advance ahead of the April 2nd deadline for reciprocal US tariffs. Gold fell 1% to end last week due to a stronger dollar and profit-taking, although lingering geopolitical and economic uncertainties and US Federal Reserve rate cut prospects kept bullion on track for a third consecutive weekly rise.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.